Yeah. Then can I have the tablet?
You can't have it yet. Once we take off, they'll come off and then you can have it. Have it quickly. You can't have it. It's all in there.
I'm scared. You'll be alright. I'm scared of heights. Well,
No, no. Just look forward.
I don't care if I'm scared of heights. I don't care if I'm scared of heights. I just want to go in an airplane and face my fears. Tripping! Look how much! Tripping down our window!
The cars are Alex. That's what my car is.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Securely fastened until the seatbelt sign's been switched off. Only then is it safe for you to leave your seat. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is switched off in case you experience any unexpected turbulence. For this reason also, sitting, lying or sleeping on the floor is not permitted at any time. Please also take care when you open the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. And just to remind you, this is a no smoking flight. This does include e-cigarettes, vapes and those nicotine products that resemble cigarettes. Also, any electronic devices which you may be charging must be monitored at all times. While the crew will do all that we can to make this flight an enjoyable experience, We do need to remind everyone that drinking your own alcohol bought in the airports or large bottles purchased on board is strictly forbidden. We want everyone to enjoy their flight and to avoid being impacted by any disruptive behaviour. Unfortunately, failure to follow this request will potentially result in serious consequences and legal action which I'm sure you would wish to avoid.
That's cool, isn't
You'll
it?
find some additional
On
safety
the
information on the back
side.
page of the shop magazine and we do recommend you
I'm
take some
looking
time to read
straight
this.
down.
I'll be back shortly
Look,
to tell you more
look
about
at
today's
our
flight, but in the meantime, please do sit back and
window.
relax and enjoy your flight with us.
Yeah. Gotta be kidding me. Mum, I see a load of water.
That's Shoe Valley.
Wait, what?
Shoe Valley Lake.
Where is your house?
On the left.
Ah, I see it. Help! No! Oh my God! Look how! Oh my God! That's so cute. That's so cute, isn't it? A mini. Oh, the little houses, the mini houses. They're so mini. They're like mini toys. And the trees, they look like bushes. Oh, we're going on the other side. Can I put that Are we actually above the clouds? They're so tiny. It's like a mini Earth. It's a mini Earth, isn't it? That was flying towards me. Can I hold it? Da 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 da
Very good morning to all. We'll shortly be commencing your in-flight service. Firstly, the cabin crew will be coming through the cabin to collect any pre-orders for any hot food. On today's flight, we are able to offer you a ham and cheese toastie, bacon roll, and our fries in the skies. At the same time, if you wish to start your holiday with something special, we do have large bottles of Prosecco. These are priced at £26, and both full and half bottles of champagne, priced at £20 and £30 respectively. Just let the crew know if you'd like one of these, and we can put these on ice and serve them during the bar service. Full details can be found in the cafe magazine, and all items are subject to availability. So that is your pre-order first, and then the cabin crew will be coming out with the bar, and I'll give you some more details about that shortly. Thank you.